Number 20, part 3. See question number 76. In question number 76, what is given there? The IUPAC name of the compound. See, in this compound, nitro group is attached with oxygen atom. NH3 5Cl. So ligands are arranged in the alphabetical order. So pentamine will come first. Pentamine. And after that the compound is nitrito, but here it is attached with oxygen atom. So the correct name will be nitrito O. And cobalt, as we can see, X charge on NO2 minus is -1, plus 5 into 0, -1 equal to 0. So X will be equal to how much? As 2 Cl are there, so X minus 2, X will be equal to plus 3. So nitrito O, and cobalt is present in the cationic complex, so it is cobalt third ion. So question number cobalt third, as chloride is present also outside, which is not shown there. As chloride is present outside there, this Cl is not there, this is here given. So correct in the question. So it will be nitrito cobalt third chloride. So question number 76, option B is correct. See question number 77. Correct this one. As this Cl2 is present outside the coordination complex, then only the coordination number will come 3. Question number 76, option B is correct. See question number 77. In question number 77, what is given? An anion gives a white PPT with AgNO3. The PPT dissolves in liquid ammonia. As we know that when AgNO3 reacts with Cl minus, it forms white PPT of AgCl. It forms white PPT of AgCl. So white PPT of AgCl will form. And when this white PPT of AgCl reacts with ammonia, and we know there is high solubility of AgCl in ammonia, it will form a soluble complex. It will form a soluble complex. And this complex is known as diamine. This is diamine silver first chloride. So question number 77, option C is correct. See question number 78. Question number 78, what is given there? The question is, cis trans isomer is formed in square planar complex. The molecular formula will be, as we can see that Ma2B2. When with respect to A, we will show the angle here present is 90 degree. So this form is the cis form. So this form will be cis form. While trans form will be like this, when angle is 180 degree in them, A and B. So this is the trans form. So Ma2B2 shows cis form as well as trans form. So question number 78, option C is correct. In question number 79, what is given there? The question is, see in question number 79. Question number 79. The question is, degenerate orbitals. As we know that degenerate orbitals are those orbitals having equal energy. So orbitals having equal energy are degenerate orbitals. And the compound given there is Cr H2O6 and 3 positive. As we can see that, so H2O is a weak field ligand, so it will be Cr3 positive. So configuration will be argon 3d54s1 for chromium. So Cr3 plus will be 3 electrons are removed, means argon 3d3. So as the complex is octahedral, so T2G comes near, below, and EG comes above. So 3 electrons are in T2G, that is dxy, that is dyz, and there is dxz. So dxy and dyz and dxz are at same energy level. So when they are same energy level, means these are degenerate orbitals. So in option A, it is given only 2 orbitals, which is dxy and dyz. These two are correct, degenerate orbitals. So question number 17 and option A is correct. Question number 17 and option A is correct. See question number 80. In question number 80, what is given there? In question number 80, the question is H2O is a weak field ligand. H2O is a weak field ligand, and we know that H2O is a weak field ligand. See, question number 80. H2O is a weak field ligand. As we can see that number of unpaired electron in M, N, H2O 6 and carrying 2 positive charge. As we can see that manganese configuration will be argon 3d5 4s2. So Mn2 plus configuration will be argon 3d5. So we can see that 5 electrons are present in Mn. So this is 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5. So number of unpaired electron will be, number of unpaired electron there it is 5. So number of unpaired electron is 5. So question number 80, option D is correct. See question number 81. In question number 81, what is given there? Question number 81 is about the effective atomic number for the complex, effective atomic number for the complex CO NH3 6 carrying 3 unit of positive charge. As we know that effective atomic number is the atomic number. Effective atomic number is basically atomic number minus, that is Z, minus oxidation number and plus 2 times of coordination number. So for cobalt atomic number is 27 and oxidation state will be X plus 6 into 0 equal to plus 3. So X is plus 3, which is oxidation number is plus 3. So minus 3 plus 2 into coordination number is 6 ligands. So we can say that 27 plus 12 39 minus 3 36. So effective atomic number of cobalt is 36. We may also use the trick, the next nearest noble gas configuration. So next nearest noble gas configuration is krypton, which is 36. So question number 81, option A is correct. See question number 82. Question number 82. See in question number 82, what is given there? Which of the following complex will most likely absorb visible light? Most likely absorb visible light. As we know, unpaired electron is responsible for color behavior due to D-D transition, due to D to D transition. So here also we can see that in scandium 3+, unpaired electron 0. Also titanium 4+, unpaired electron 0. Also zinc 2+, unpaired electron 0. So only in case of vanadium, unpaired electron is present. So unpaired electron is present, therefore D to D transition. Hence only this will absorb the visible light. So DD transition occurs only in V3 positive due to unpaired electron. So question number 82, option C is correct. See question number 83. In question number 83, what is given there? Question number 83 is basically on the geometry. See question number 83. Octahedral geometry. As we know that when hybridization is sp3d2, then geometry will be octahedral. Like this: M A2B4. So this geometry basically forms an octahedral geometry. So question number 83, option C is correct. See question number 84. In question number 84, what is given there? In question number 84, the question is, consider the following complexes, octahedral complexes. Consider the following octahedral complexes, and the complex is CO, NH3, 5 carbonate group, and then ClO4. The coordination number, as we can see that 5 ligands there and 1 ligand there, so it means coordination number is 6. Number of ligands attached to central atom is coordination number, and the oxidation number will be X plus 5 into 0, carbonate carrying -2, while ClO4 carrying -1, therefore it is +1, so it is equal to X equal to +3, so oxidation number will be equal to +3. Now number of d electrons, as we can see, when cobalt 3+, when there is cobalt 3+, so configuration will be argon 3d6. It means d electrons is 6. Number of d electrons is 6. Now the next question is unpaired d electrons. Unpaired d electrons. Now fill the box. D orbital 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Non-paired electrons is 4 on. As we can see that there is a strong field ligand. There is strong field ligand which is ammonia. NH3 is a strong field ligand. Therefore pairing of electron will occur. Pairing of electron will occur. So when pairing of electron will occur, then it will pair up. So now unpaired electron will be equal to 0. So the correct answer is 6, 6, 3, 6, 3, 6 and 0. So question number 84, option A is correct. Question number 84, option A is correct. See question number 85. Question number 85 basically based on the metallurgy, is based on leaching. As we know that when the ore is soluble, when we do leaching, in leaching we use suitable reagent. We use a suitable reagent in which ore is soluble. We use suitable reagent in which, like NaCl. Like NaCN, we use a suitable reagent in which the ore is soluble. So this is basically used for gold and silver. This is basically used for gold and silver. So question number 85 is the reaction of leaching of gold and silver. So question number 85, option B is correct. See question number 86. Question number 86. Question number 86 is basically name the metal which is extracted on the basis, which is a common donor atom in ligands. Common donor atom in ligands. As we can see that CN, carbon, nitrogen, NO2, nitrogen, oxygen, NCS, again nitrogen, carbon, and we can see that oxygen like CS3, CO negative, like NH2 minus. So all these cases, as we can see that C2O4 2 minus, and we can say that the common donor atom which is present as per the option, nitrogen is present and also oxygen is also present. So we can say that common donor atom in ligands is one nitrogen and second is oxygen as per the options. So question number 86, option D is correct. See question number 87. Question number 87 is basically on the energy, crystal field splitting energy of ligands. See question number 87. Question number 87 is basically wavelength. We have to arrange the increasing order of wavelength. As we know that the strength of ligand in crystal field splitting theory is basically H2O, then NH3 and then NO2 minus. So this is the strength of ligands. So energy order will be also H2O, then NH3 and then NO2 minus. Now as energy is Sc by lambda, so energy and wavelength are reciprocal of each other. So wavelength order will be, so energy order is energy order will be Ni H2O, NiH2O 6, 2 positive, then Ni NH3 6, 2 positive, and then Ni NO2 6, 4 negative. This is the energy order. Now the wavelength order will be inverse of each other. So this is Ni NO2 6, 4 negative, and then Ni NH3 6, 2 positive, and highest energy for Ni H2O 6, 2 positive. So question number 87, option A is correct. See question number 88. In question number 88, what is given there? See question number 88. Question number 88 is the number of ions per mole of the complex in a solution will be. As we can see that this complex CO NH3 5 Cl2 will break into CO NH3 5 2 positive and plus 2 Cl negative. So number of ions will be 1 and 2 3. So there are basically 3 ions. So we can say that number of ions per mole is 3. So question number 88, option C is correct. See question number 89. Question number 89 is basically on the hybridization of Fe H2O 2 positive. See question number 89 is basically Fe H2O 6 and carrying 2 positive charge. As we can see that Fe configuration will be argon 3d6 4s2, when Fe2 plus configuration will be argon 3d6. Now as the orbital containing 6 electron 1 2 3 4 5 6 4s and 4p. As H2O is a weak field ligand, so no pairing of electron will occur. So now here it is 4d, so S plus 3p and d2. 6 boxes are occupied by the ligands, so hybridization will be sp3d2. Hybridization is sp3d2 and number of unpaired electrons are 4. So question number 89, option A is correct. See question number 90. Question number 90. Question number 90 is IUPAC name of PT, NH3, thrice, Br, NO2, and Cl, and then Cl. As we can say, we will arrange first the ligand. So ligand's name will be triamine, then amine bromido, then chlorido, then nitrito ligand through N, so nitrito N, and then platinum, and the oxidation state is X plus 3 into 0 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 equal to minus 1 plus 1. So X will be equal to plus 4, platinum 4, and outside is chloride. So this is the correct option, and the best option as per the given options is option C. Instead of bromido, here in option is bromo, chloro, nitro. So if there is no this kind of option, then we may correct the option C. Otherwise the best answer for this question is this one as per IUPAC nomenclature. So question number 90, option C is correct.